What I mean is that, for example, when catastrophe comes, that means that the main character will die at the end. It is inevitable for the main character. So, the Greek dramatists usually preferred that the audience should foresee the future. The audience is following the whole play, and they can easily guess that the main character will die at the end of the play. Even in a play in which the end is known or foretold, a certain kind of suspense and tension, called a suspense of anticipation, is achieved double motivation. If a command of the gods seems to be the only solution for the motivation of an action, in our mythology lessons, just keep in your mind that, for example, mostly gods were participating for the daily lives of the Greek people, especially during the Trojan War, for example. Poseidon took part in one side, on the other side, Zeus took part in other side. So they were just in the actions. We have divine motivation. Divine motivation is used, pay attention, when plausible human motivation is lacking. But it can be used when enough human motivation is present. When they are both used, it is called double motivation. We will just talk about Aristotle, that in your drama lessons again you will see what he meant or what he gave or contributed to the old tragedy. His most important work is Poetics. In his explanation, he says that an imitation of an action, he says about the tragedy. It is an imitation of an action that is serious, pay attention, complete, and of a certain magnitude, in language embellished with each kind of artistic ornament, the several kinds being found in separate parts of the play. In the form of action, not of narrative, through the pity and fear affecting the proper purgation of these emotions.